Hello everybody, I'm going to be teaching you how to make paper airplane because apparently that's the thing not a lot of people know how to do. Actually, for a better camera angle, I'm going to go like that. So you can see my piece of paper. Okay, so what you first want to do is fold the two corners of your paper to be like a triangle like this down to the center, so that they're about the same length. They make like a horizontal line. Obviously, I'm not the best at this, but I'm doing a rough try. Next, you want to fold this edge over into the middle again. Then do that on both sides. And then you want to do it a third time, which is always the hardest one. I'm really hoping the camera can actually see this because I don't want to record this all over again. Now I'm going to flip it over, fold it in half. Straighten it out. And you have yourself a very crude paper airplane. I mean, it's not the best paper airplane in the world, but it is a paper airplane. I'm gonna see how far this monster. So I got a paper airplane. Okay, well, it doesn't look the best, but it's a paper airplane, so yeah, that's good enough. Bye.